Multiple choice questions for basic accounting. So our first question is, if a 4,700 pesos cash purchase of supplies is recorded as a 5,700 pesos debit to supplies expense and a 5,700 pesos credit to cash, the result will be that letter A, the trial balance will be out of balance. Letter B, the supplies expense account will be understated. Letter C, the cash account will be overstated. And letter D, supplies expense will be overstated and cash will be understated. In this scenario, if we will have a cash purchase of supplies worth 4,700, the journal entry should be, the correct journal entry should be debit to supplies because we purchased a supplies and credit cash worth 4,700. But the accountant erroneously recorded it by, so erroneously recorded by debit to supplies expense worth 5,700 and cash of 5,700. Now, the result will be that the trial balance will be out of balance. No, it will also be balanced because there is a debit and there is a credit side, and the debit and credit that erroneously recorded has the same amount. So letter B, the supplies account expense will be understated. No, because here in the erroneously entry, so the supplies expense is overstated because wala sana tayong i-record na supplies expense because the correct journal entry should be supplies na word 47 and not supplies expense 57. Then the cash account will be overstated. No, because the cash recorded is 5,700 and the correct should be 4,700. So, the cash is not overstated. The cash is understated. Kasi nasobra ng 1K ang pag-record ng credit. So, then letter D, the supplies expense will be overstated and cash will be understated. Yes, that is the correct answer. So, the correct answer for this question or this scenario is the supplies expense will be overstated and the cash will be understated. Letter D. Next question. The owner's withdrawals account appears in letter A, the income statement only. No, it will not appear in the income statement. The balance sheet only. No, it will, the owner's withdrawal will not also appear in the balance sheet only. In the statement of changes in equity only. Yes, both the income statement and the balance sheet. No. So the correct answer, the owner's withdrawal account appears in the statement of changes in equity only. So that's it for our discussion for the multiple choice question. Please share it to your classmates and loved ones. Thank you.